Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how I made this delicious, good looking beef stir fry. So for ingredients, of course, you need your broccoli, carrots, 1 large egg, bell peppers, ginger garlic, Thai chili pepper, and then your meat, sugar, soy sauce, cornstarch, black pepper, salt, and your peas. So first of all, we go ahead in a bowl and our beef in it. We add cornstarch. This is just to keep it all together. And then 1 large egg into the bowl. Black pepper with a little bit of salt. Just sprinkle it in there like so. Just a little bit. It's, of course, your soy sauce is a bit salty, so just a little bit of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. And then we'll be covering it and putting it in the fridge for an hour. Add your minced garlic into the bowl as well. Give it a good stir. So right away we're going to go ahead and chop up our vegetables. Ginger, just chop them up in little slices. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you. And then we are chopping up our onions. If you're returning, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share it with your family and friends. And we are going ahead and we are chopping up our carrots. Next up, we're just going to be chopping up our broccoli in little florets. As well as our bell peppers. As well as our peas. We're taking off the strings. And in a hot boiling water, we're going to blanch this vegetable for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Not soggy, just a bit soft. And then heat up your pan, put a little bit of vegetable oil or whatever oil you have. And then we're going to be frying up our beef right away. And when once that is done, we're going to just set that aside, take it all off, and then fry up our onions, let it sweat a bit. And then put in our ginger and our Thai chili pepper. I just want a little bit of heat in this stir fry. And then go ahead and toss in your vegetables. Just keep stirring and just keep frying it for about 3 minutes. You want all the ingredients to get married to each other. Just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And then we're just going to pour in our soy sauce, sugar. Pour in the soy sauce that you like, the quantity you wish. I mean, that's up to you. And then in a little bowl, we are pouring in a cornstarch mixed with a little bit of water. Let's say about a tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water. Just give it a good mix and pour it in there. And then final step, we're pouring in our beef. Give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. Just keep stirring. You want everything to be thoroughly stirred up and combined together. Work the ingredients together. And our stir fry is literally ready. Literally. Enjoy this with a bowl of rice. Look at how that looks. Look at how that looks. Enjoy this with a bowl of rice and give me feedbacks. Any other meals you want me to prepare, show you, feel free to leave a comment. See you guys later. Bye.